Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. We just got in a 718 matte black Colorado off-road trailer. These are meant to be true off-road units for you guys and give you some multi-use. They're insulated windows, power, AC. We'll go through all that right now. You guys can view all of our inventory always at getmytrailer.com or coloradotrailersinc.com. We just shortened it and made it simpler for you guys. Send us an email at sales@getmytrailer.com or give us a call 303-688-8485 and we ship. So if you guys are watching this and you're nowhere near us, no worries, just give us a call. We'll get you a shipping quote. This one's in our thicker aluminum skin. It's in the matte black with the blackout package again. 7x18. You do have the front generator box and platform on the front. Removable jack, side swivel jack, removable coupler. Sorry about that. You also have a twist lock plug. It is generator ready. They do not come with generators, but like I said, they're generator ready to hook up and go. Here's a good shot of this side as well. Now this matte black aluminum again is our thicker aluminum skin, so it's going to be a little bit nicer than what you'll find on a standard trailer. Side door's been moved back as well on this unit, so this is great if you guys want to add cabinets or anything up front if you're doing a build out. You do have the RV lock and cam bar on there. Step off that side door. These sit up tall. You've got about 19 inches worth of ground clearance. They're over 10 feet tall in overall height. You do have an exterior GFI outlet right there, a couple party lights off the side, nice big awning door, escape door. This is an awesome feature, guys. You can back your UTVs in here and jump right out the side, so it makes it a whole lot easier. We also like them because it provides some shade and just some additional ventilation in the trailer, and a lot of people are using them for concessions, so lots of good multi-use there. Roof rack and ladder, that's good for a couple 100 pounds dispersed, and that should be a 7x7 rack up there on top. Now you also have two 5,200 pound torsion axles, brakes on all fours, awesome American racing wheels, and you do have, it looks like a Mud Claw Extreme MT tire on this unit. Again, brakes on all fours, stabilizer jacks underneath, and then you do have your rear ramp door, of course. You can load and unload your toys, and the rear deck option. Load lights off the back too, so you've got some exterior light on both the back and side of the trailer. And then we'll come on the interior, 7-foot interior height, so tall enough for most UTVs, side by sides, insulated walls and ceiling. And then we also do the performance Nudo floor with Maxx. I apologize, this trailer is a little dirty. We just unloaded it, but I have a lot of people waiting to see it, so I wanted to get the video out right away. Now, you do have a battery box, battery charger. Great feature because that's going to run your interior lights, puck lights, these guys. This one has a little bit different light setup on it. It's got different puck lights, everything else is the same. And then it also runs your exterior load lights and your party lights, so you can have light on the inside and outside of the trailer without needing to be plugged in. Two windows, of course, across from each other. It's a tinted lockable window, plus you've got the awesome maxx roof vent there on top. Rear ramp door, 4 D-rings in the floor. You do have your load light switch back here, and I'm gonna spin around 2 outlets on this wall, 2 more up front, and then you've got your exterior GFI outlet again. Couple of 4-foot LED lights. These are 110. These are gonna run with your generator as well as your AC unit with the heat strip. It's going to require your generator as well, and then of course your interior outlets. So here it is. Now you've got interior dimensions, 7 feet, 6'6" at that rear ramp door. Smallest width on this trailer is actually between these 2 cables right here on your ramp door. That's going to be about 75 inches. You've got about 76.5 between the interior framing there on that ramp door. So give you guys an idea of what's there. 80 inches in height, and then you do have about 6'10" in width and about 17'10" in length. So give you guys a better idea of what's here. I believe this unit weighs 4,000 pounds. You're gonna have about a 6,000 pound payload capacity and a 3-year factory warranty. So as always, give us a call, coloradotrailersinc.com, sales@coloradotrailersinc, or you can use, again, Get My Trailer, and 303-688-8485. And if you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to like and subscribe. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.